What's up guys, welcome to AStar Insight, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the reals when it comes to YouTube. Now look, the fact of the matter is, and this is probably what, look, not many people will tell you this, and don't get me wrong, I'm kind of at the start of my YouTube journey. I'm nowhere near the top, I think, nearly at 300,000 subscribers. And I can tell you this right now, from my point of view, this YouTube thing, it's not for everyone. I know that sounds pretty harsh, but just hear me out. This YouTube thing, it's not for everyone, because not everyone has it in them. I'm telling you. Now, if you're watching this video, I can guarantee you, maybe 10% of you guys watching this video in a year's time will still be doing YouTube. It's because it's not for everyone. This YouTube thing, listen to me carefully. I'm going to explain what I'm saying, but I need you guys to get this clear into your heads, because I don't want you to think that I'm misleading you. These other people, these other YouTubers that make these type of videos, they're going to be misleading you. They're going to be telling you this and that, And I get it. Look, it is what it is. They want the views. They want but this is my second channel, so I can afford to be as honest with you as possible, okay? YouTube isn't for everyone, and this is why. The first thing that you guys need to know is that it takes a lot, to persist with YouTube. It takes a lot. It's not easy. Everyone's journey is different, and I'm not going to give you the exact template. I'm not going to say it will take you 1 month to get 1,000 subscribers or a year or two. I can't tell you. Everyone's journey is different. But the fact of the matter is, if you persist, you'll get to a place where you can look back and say, my hard work paid off and I'm proud of myself. If you persist. The main issue with YouTube is not everyone will persist. Everyone wants it quickly. You might hear someone's story and they might say that I got to 100,000 subscribers in a year like I did. Or you might hear someone else's story and say that I got to 1 million subscribers in a year. And you might think, well, if that's not me, then there's something wrong with me, right? No. And I'll illustrate this with my own journey on YouTube. But first, I just want to kind of make sure I hash out all the little stories and the little silly ideas and ideologies people put onto YouTube, or people have about YouTube. And that is, it's not easy, it's not easy at all. And there's no fast, quick way. This whole sub for sub thing that people do in people's comments, or subscribe to my channel, all this type of, look, it's great to comment on other people's videos, but maybe you'll get 5 new subscribers a day or a week or something. I don't really know. I've never really used that method. I don't understand it. I even see it in my videos on my main channel. People always commenting stuff like, please, that's all great. But at the end of the day, look, human nature, think about it. Think about yourselves. Why would you ever subscribe to something, or why would you ever invest in something or take interest in something unless it's providing value to your life? So let me just say what I would do if I was doing what you guys are doing. Some of you that watch this video are doing, and you might do on this video, I don't know. What I would do is I would look at the video. I'd search videos that are similar to my video, my content, and then I go into the comment section. And of course, if the person has millions of subscribers, they're not going to answer every single person in the comment section. There's your opportunity. Go answer them yourselves. Bring value to them, their lives. Maybe they want to know how to edit a video in a certain way, but the person who made the video can't answer 1,000 comments. So you can take the load off their shoulders. You can answer it for them. And I guarantee you a lot of those people might come and check out your channel. But you got to make sure you've got content on your channel. But anyways, like I said, that's what I'm saying. It's not for everyone. People post, look, no exaggeration. People upload 5 videos and then they'll come and say, I don't know why YouTube's not working for me. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just not for me. Yes, it's not for you. It's not for you. It's not. I'm sorry, it's not for you. Yeah? Not because there's anything wrong with you, because it could have been you. You just don't have the mindset. You've got to upload for the sake of uploading. Now let me talk to you about my journey on YouTube, yeah? So this is how I started. Look, if you have to go on my channel now, yeah, I do a lot of football content, Brazilian related content, reaction, analysis, etc. Yeah. My first ever video on YouTube was a gaming video, and it was NBA, it was basketball. It was completely different to what I do now, yeah? But I was having fun. So I uploaded the video, you know, maybe like what, 5-10 views. Look, maybe 5 or 10 of those views on my own, I don't know, yeah? But look, I was enjoying the video. I enjoyed making it, I enjoyed filming it, I enjoyed editing it, and I enjoyed watching it. So I didn't care if I was the only one getting the view in my own videos, right? But I was enjoying it. I didn't have it in my mind that I wasn't entitled to all these views and all these likes and all these subscriptions and stuff. Like, I didn't feel entitled. That's the problem for a lot of you. A lot of you feel entitled. You're not entitled. What do you deserve? You haven't earned nothing yet. Yeah, that's the truth. You haven't earned anything. So stop feeling entitled. That's one of the first things I want to tell you guys. Stop feeling entitled. But anyways, I'll proceed. And then I started, look, I started to become a student of YouTube. I watch more YouTube than I watch TV. This is the truth. I do. Yeah, that's why I learned so much from YouTube. I watch more YouTube than I watch anything else. And I started seeing other videos that entertain me and interest me. So I was thinking, okay, well, I was thinking to myself, they've got a lot of subscribers, let me do what they're doing. I was thinking to myself, that video entertained me, it made me laugh. I feel like I'm funny. I feel like I can make similar content, and hopefully it entertain other people, you know? It would entertain my reach of my 20 subscribers, right? Anyways, so I made another video. I think it was something like, it was like an advice type of video, similar to this but different. It was like how to get girls, what was it? How to know if a girl likes you, or something like that, right? For all my fellas out there, you know, I was just trying to help the community, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I posted that as well. That was, I think I got like maybe 100 views on that, and you know, I was happy. I was like thinking, wow, 100 people watched this video. You know, I started to doubt the advice I was given because of the comments, but it was okay, we moved. And then I was just trying different stuff, and then one day someone just said, there was this cool like video of like iguana getting chased by snakes. You should watch it, you should react to it. And so I did. Listen, I reacted to a video of an iguana getting chased by snakes. Do you understand what I'm saying to you right now? Yeah, it's wild. But I was having fun on YouTube. I was having fun making content, thinking of new ideas, editing. The views, the subscription, I didn't care about all of that. There was no strategy. Don't get me wrong, you probably should have a strategy, yeah? But there was no strategy, I was just having fun. And, you know, the rest is history. I persisted with reaction videos. You know, I started making football content because I love football, Brazilian content because I have a keen interest in Brazilian football. And the rest is history, you know, nearly 300,000 subscriptions later, here I am. But my point is, that was never really the goal, you know? I didn't feel entitled to anything. I was just having fun. A lot of people on YouTube that start out have this idea of they're going to make millions of pounds, dollars, whatever your currency is on YouTube. And that's why they start. Or they have this idea that they're going to have 100,000 subscribers and they can't wait to get their plaque. And don't get me wrong, these are good targets and goals to have. But you're kind of setting yourself up for disappointment if it doesn't come fast. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, and you have to develop thick skin from early. Like, you have to prepare to have a video that it's taken you like a day to film, 2 days to edit. You know, your internet connection's poor, so maybe it's taking you another 2 days to upload. Yeah. And you've put it out there and you're so proud and you work so hard and you've listened to all the YouTube advice and it gets 5 views and 4 of those are yours and 1 of those is your mum's. It's tough, like, it's cold, isn't it? But like, look, that's the type of stuff that disappoints a lot of people, and a lot of people turn away from YouTube and think, you know what, I'm not doing YouTube no more. Cool. It was never for you, and that's my point. Because if you think that's bad, and if that's what's going to turn you away from YouTube, then wait until you start getting views and you start getting comments and you start reading those comments. Yeah, because look, there's a lot of trolls in this world, right? There's a lot of trolls. You get a lot of hate. Luckily, my hate, yeah, if I do get any, is not in English, because a lot of my subscribers are Portuguese, so Portuguese speakers. So they're not in English, so I can't read them anyways. But like, you get a lot of hate and stuff, and I guess that's the first test. Not getting any views is the first test. If you can't handle that, then you won't be able to handle someone commenting on your video saying your video is trash, your video is this, your video is that. You know, why are your lips so big? Why do your hairline is this, and you just look ugly? And you know, there's a lot of people that just have angry people and they have a lot of hate, and not everyone can handle that. Do you know what I mean? Not everyone can handle that. I'm not saying you should learn to handle that or accept that. You shouldn't, because it's not nice. But you got to develop thick skin. You've got to, and that's what I'm trying to say in terms of, if you care so much about the numbers initially, then the comments are gonna cut you. You know, and that's what I'm trying to say. So protect your mental health and your well-being, yeah, and just stop. Because YouTube isn't for you if you're the type of person who gets upset over seeing 5, 2, 3, 10 views on their videos. Because you've got to grind. You've got to keep uploading, keep having fun, keep making content that you're going to enjoy. People will find you eventually, especially if your content is evergreen. By the way, evergreen is content that never ever gets outdated. Yeah, if you make and that's a secret to YouTube, because there's a video that I've uploaded like 2 years ago, and it recently hit 1 million views, because people, but like at the time they didn't get many views, but 2 years later 1 million views. Do you know what I mean? Like, evergreen content is content that is always going to be relevant, right? So if you make evergreen content and you just keep uploading and you keep grinding, it just takes one video. One day your video will blow up. And what happens when your video blows up? People check out your channel. They'll look at your other content. And you know do you know what you're going to get in your comment section? You'll get what I got a lot of. Wow, your content is amazing. You deserve so much more views and so much more subscribers. Why don't you have many subscribers? This doesn't make any sense. They're going to subscribe. They're going to share they're going to share your videos with other people, with their friends. They're going to subscribe. You're going to get subscribers. The ball's going to start rolling. And you need to be prepared to ride that wave, right? You got to be prepared. But again, if you're the type of person that's looking at the numbers and oh, well, I'm overthinking it. You know, I posted a video last week. It didn't get many views, so I don't feel like posting one this week. Then when your channel does potentially take off, you're not going to have much other stuff for people to look at, which means they're not going to subscribe. And that's what you're after at the end of the day. You know, you want to see the fruit of your labor. You want to see, after putting all that hard work, after uploading every day or every week or twice a week, or you know, whatever your upload schedule is. By the way, upload schedule is very important, but that's another video. Whatever you know your upload pattern is, stick with it. Don't worry about the numbers at first, because like I said, you got to kind of prove yourself to the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm doesn't trust you. Like, who are you? Why are you so special that they should start blowing your video up to other people? You're not special. You're not. Who are you? Like, if it worked like that, then every single person on YouTube would have over 1 million subscribers. It doesn't work like that. You got to kind of earn your place on YouTube. And that's not for everyone, because not everyone's willing to grind. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Listen, the grind isn't for everyone. It's not for everyone. But trust me, once you get there to the point where you can literally just upload whenever you want, and you know people are going to love it, you've got your own demand, you don't need to use all these keywords and all these beautiful thumbnails, and you don't need to overthink it, because you know you've got your own community that's going to love your content. It'll be amazing. But you got to grind, you got to earn that. Yeah? And not everyone is ready to listen, yeah? Not everyone is willing to put the work in. Are you willing to grind for it? Are you willing to work for it? Ask yourself, are you? Because if you're not, then say goodbye. It's not for you. YouTube is not for you. You see you, it's not for you, yeah? if you're not willing to do that, and that's okay. That's okay. Because there's so many other avenues out there. I'm sure you can go to another social media platform, or you can, you can have your own business, or you can do a 9 to 5, whatever it is. If your goal is to be very rich, there's a lot of other avenues you can take. If your goal is to be watched by many, you can become an actor and actress. There's a lot of other avenues you can take. If your goal, I don't know what your goal is, right? But what I'm trying to say is YouTube isn't the only way to get to that goal. Especially if YouTube is not for you. Because like I said, at the end of the day, it's just you talking to a camera. Like me right now. I'm talking to you guys, but I'm talking to a camera right now. It's just me in my room, camera. Right? That's all it is. Unscripted, unedited. It's just me and you. What I want you guys to do is save this video somehow. Save this video. Come back to it in a year's time. And just comment like I'm still or comment now saying I'm gonna be here in a year's time, and then come back in a year's time and say I'm still here. Yeah, because I know I'm gonna still be here, right? I don't know if I'll still be here on this channel. I don't know, innit? But I'll still be here on YouTube. My presence will still be felt, right? Because it's for me. It's not for everyone, but it's for me. Yeah, is it for you? I don't know. I'll let you decide that. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know the rules. Yeah, because a lot of people just think they can jump on YouTube and they can become an overnight success. It doesn't work like that, my guy. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. There's a lot of factors, a lot of variables, and there's a lot of ups and downs you go through. Like I've been through so many ups and downs on YouTube in terms of MCMs, like channel networks, in terms of YouTube algorithms, in terms of copyright strikes. It gets serious, yeah. In terms of videos getting blocked. I had a video that got to 100,000 views in less than 24 hours. And before it hit 24 hours, it was deleted off of YouTube. That's pain. That's real life pain. Like what? That was like a record for me. Like 100,000 views in less than 24 hours. I think it was in less than 10 hours, to be honest with you. Anyways, it happens, innit? Like it happens. I was always gonna upload another video anyways. That will finish a lot of people because it's not for everyone. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. But look, I hope to see you guys one day flourishing on YouTube. I hope to. But if it's not for you, like I said, then hopefully you're flourishing and you're thriving in life in general, innit? And you're happy. That's the main thing, being happy. But look, we're gonna leave it there. I don't really know where I was going with this video, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a bit of a wake up call, give you guys a bit of a shake to let you know that this YouTube thing, it's not for everyone. Until next time.